Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a Head Sleep app. So let's get started. So to use that, you have to follow this easy instruction. So just open your Head Sleep. So basically, it's a egg sleeping app. Okay, you can just click on Let's Go sign up. So here you have to choose a password, then choose a first name. Okay, just you can say Gamma. Then here you can select your password, then click on here loading, just maybe later. So from here continue your hatch. So from here you can just select your like your like product, then you can do the product hatch from here as well. So by this way you can do it, and it's easy way too. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.